Hello, so this is my guide to make a Scratch project. So first, you go to a feature project and you stare at the apps for a little while, because you know you're never gonna get to there. And then what you do is you go to create, and you wait for it to load. And then you think for 1 hour as to what project you should do, what the title should be, and you decide to name a project. Yay! And then what you do is you try to find a good sprite to use. And then you realize 1 hour later that the sprite cat that you exit out is the one you wanted to use in the entire time. Alright, now you need music. What you do, you go to a very dangerous YouTube to MP3 converter that will give your computer a virus. You do Control V. You hope you don't get a virus. And you wait, 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 and you wait. And then you click download, and then run out of that website as fast as you can so that you don't get a virus. And then you spend 1 hour trying to figure out how to implement that song into your thing. And then you figure out that you could just do it in 3 blocks. 1, 2, 3. And then you figure out you have no idea what you want to do. You have no idea what you want to do. So you go to you open Scratch again. And then you go to an innocent project. And then you steal all their stuff by going to backpack and inserting everything into that. And so after you're done that, what you do is you take everything out from your backpack, and then you realize nothing really works and your Scratch can't even do anything. But then after a lot of trial and error, you manage to get this. Like this, and it's an amazing project, yay! And then you wait for your stats to rise, and then 5 days later you end up that you find out that you only have 4 views and 1 heart and favorite, which are yours. And then you're disappointed, and then you put it in like 1,000,000 studios, and only to find out that you got only 1 other view, and that was your little brother. And then you realize you forgot to save it and you have to start all over again.